Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to recreate this 2D drawing in AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD. Now we are in the AutoCAD window. To open new window, just go to New, Drawing, choose any one of the template, just say Open. Now we have opened a new window. Our model is this one. For easy drawing, I'm just going to keep the software like this. Now we'll create this model. Before start drawing model, first set the units. Type units, enter. You will get this dialog box. Default it is in the unit of inches. First choose decimal. Here you see it is in the decimal fraction of 2 digits. So we need to set 2 digits. Just go for 2 digits. Here millimeter, choose millimeter. Our units are in millimeter. Just say OK. Then we need to specify the limit. Limits. Lower left corner is 0, 0. Enter. Right corner we need to specify the maximum x distance and y distance. For this maximum x distance is 50 plus 44, it's coming around 94. Y distance is coming around less than the 94. I'm just specifying the upper limit of 200, 200. 200, 200. Then Z enter, A enter. Now we have specified the settings. Then we'll start creating the model. Where we can start from any points. Now I'm going to start from this point. So take a line. Here it has a dimension of 18.34. I'll just start from here. It is coming as an inclined line. Switch on the ortho mode by using a press F8. Now vertical line 18.34. Just enter it. Then horizontal line with a dimension of 44. Then again vertical line which in dimension of 18. Then horizontal line with a dimension of 30. Again vertical line with a dimension of 10. Horizontal line with a dimension of here 30. Then this dimension will be 20. Then vertical line is 20. Now we just want to make an inclined line. Just for that we just switch off the ortho mode. Now we can draw the inclined line. This length is 42 and this angle they have specified it as, here it is 144, total is 180. It is showing this angle, so 90. This angle is, now we need to calculate it. For that just go for paint. Here you can see in this diagram they have specified the angle. Just take a triangle like this. This angle they have given 144. Then this angle we need to calculate 180 minus 144. Just go for the calculator. 180 minus 144 which is 36. So this angle is 36. Then this angle is 90. And this angle we need to calculate 180 minus 90 minus 36. Here this one is 54. So this angle is 54. So whatever the angle we need to calculate, this is 54 and this one is 90. So 90 plus 54 we need to enter it. 90 plus 54, that is again 144. So now just go to the AutoCAD. So this length, now see the diagram. This length is 42. This length is 42. Then press the tab button to move into the angle. This angle is 144. Now we have created this line. Then we need to make a horizontal line. For that switch on the ortho mode. then horizontal length is 46, then vertical dimension is 9.78, then close the line. To close the line, switch off this ortho mode, then close this one, right click, cancel. See, now we have created the sketch. Then we can increase the with the thickness of this line. For that, just simply select this all the lines. Here you can see by layer, just specify 0.35. Now we have increased the thickness of this line. To view this line, just go here. Go to the settings, this one. Here you can see line width. Line weight is switch on, then switch on it. Now see, the line is thicker, you can see it. Now specify the dimension. Just go for the linear dimension. From this point to this point, we have created the dimension. It's showing very small. For that, just go for the dim style. Enter. Modify. Symbols and arrow make it 4. Text also make it 4. Primary units, you make it 2 decimals. Just say OK, then close it. Now this one is 46. Again go for the dimension, linear dimension. This is actually inclined dimension, angular dimension. From here to here, this is 42. And then to get the previous command, just press enter. You will get the previous command. This one is 20. Again enter it. This one is again 20. This is, they are not mentioned it. Instead, just go for the linear command. From here to here, this one is 50. And again press enter. You will get this command. This one is 10. This dimension is showing inside the model. Just click it. Just select it here and place it here. Then just click it and move it here. Then similarly, just go for the linear one. This one is 18. And this dimension is 44. And this dimension is 18.34. This dimension is, just press enter. And this dimension is 9.78. Now we have specified all the dimensions. Just go to the layout. Here you just go to the paper, switch off the grid. So this is the way we can see in the layouts. Just go to the model again. Now we have created the one more dimension is angular dimension. Just go for the angular dimension. Select this line and this line. You will get the angle of 144. So in that we have finished to create the sketch. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial we will come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.